Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix thumbnails not showing on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to view the thumbnails on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open your File Explorer. You can see here already I had opened here. In this you can see here 3 dot. Just click on the 3 dot and click on option. In this you can see here view tab. Just click on that. Guys, here you can see first option, always show icons, never thumbnails. You have to uncheck this option and click on apply and click OK. As you can see here, now thumbnail preview is showing. After that, you can try the second method. If this is not working, you can try the second method. Just click on the start menu, then type here advanced system setting. Click on view advanced system setting. In this you can see under performance you can see settings. Just click on the settings. Guys, in this you need to find show thumbnail instead of icon. You have to find and just check mark this option. Just click on apply and click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix thumbnail not showing on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.